Listen, sometimes we all just need something warm and comforting for dinner, and this recipe is just that. Today, I'm gonna be walking you through step by step of how to make homemade potato soup that not only feeds your bellies, but also feeds your souls. I know you're gonna love it, so let's go ahead and get started. This recipe is actually really easy, and the hardest part is peeling and dicing. So you're gonna take 4 pounds of russet potatoes, wash and scrub them clean, and then you're gonna peel and dice each potato. And a tip I like to do is to have a really big bowl of ice cold water right next to me. And then I like to peel about 2 to 4 potatoes at a time and then dice them and put them straight into the ice water. Putting them into the cold water is gonna help them not turn brown while you're dicing all of the potatoes. Another tip I like to do is to cut the potatoes into small cubes. This not only helps the potatoes cook quicker, but also gives you those small bite-sized potato bites in the actual soup when it's finished. Once they're all peeled and diced, you're gonna strain off the water from the big bowl, add it to a large pot, and then fill the pot up with water until it's completely covering the potatoes. Put a lid on it and place it on the stove, and you're gonna turn it on medium-high and bring to a boil for about 20 minutes. You're gonna wanna cook these potatoes until just fork tender and soft. After the potatoes are finished cooking, you're gonna carefully drain the water off of the potatoes, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients and let it cook a little bit more. You're gonna add 3 cups of cream and 3 cups of milk, along with 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. Turn the heat down to medium-low and let this simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes just to get all the good flavors of the milk and the cream and the butter. After it's finished simmering, I like to take a potato masher and actually mash some of the potatoes in it. It kind of makes it a little bit more thick and creamy while still giving you some potato chunks. And then that's it. It's ready to eat and ready to serve. Taste to make sure if you need any more salt and pepper, but other than that, spoon it out onto a big bowl and top it with crispy bacon bits, green onions, and a lot of cheddar cheese. This potato soup is thick and hearty and creamy and just full of all the goodness and so much love. I know y'all are gonna enjoy it. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. Everything that you need to know about it, all the ingredients, all the directions are there for you. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today, and until next time, I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.